Good evening everyone, a new car, a new video today. This is a 2010 Chevrolet Aveo 1.4 petrol. This is the LT variant and is a second owner on RC, though single hand driven. Initially purchased in corporate name and then transferred to the individual name. The car is in beautiful red color. This is the top of the line variant, so comes with a rear spoiler, chrome garnish on the boot, alloy wheels, airbag, ABS, leather seats, you have electric ORVM. So as you can see, the tail lamps are all intact, the bumper is intact. There's a rear parking camera which has been installed by the owner. Also a touchscreen music player with Bluetooth. This is the side profile. This is the exterior walk around, so you can see any scratches or dents if visible on the vehicle. As of now, there are no scratches or dents on the car. There is some mud slash which is there on the door, but that can be cleaned. The car looks absolutely as good as brand new. It's really shiny, glossy and well maintained. And the headlamps are all clear. Taking you closer to the headlamps and the bumper, you can see the fog lamps are also clear. These are the alloy wheels. I'll take a closer look of the tires so you can also see the tires. So the tires are new. There's no requirement of replacing the tires in the car. These are the tires. This time around I'm going to show you the engine bay as well. Usually I don't do that on most of my cars, but since this is a little odd, this is the engine bay. I've also started the engine and taking the engine sound for you guys to understand. Coming back to the interiors, this is how the door trim looks like of a Chevrolet Aveo LT. So there's a wooden accent, black leather and beige plastic and leather upholstery with a silver finish door handle. There's a boot lid opening button which is placed here. These are the 4 power window buttons. This is the power window lock unlock switch. This, my friends, is the joystick to adjust your ORVMs. There's the steering wheel with airbag, the horn buttons, that's the odometer. The car really looks posh inside the cabin. So this is the odometer reading as on date 57718. The airbag malfunction light is on, but that can be scanned and removed. I'll do that and give you. There's no other malfunction or no other error that the car shows. The air conditioning of the car is currently on and is doing a great job. This is the touchscreen Pioneer music system. So when I put the car in reverse, this screen works as a reverse camera. Now you can see the camera is on. These are the leather seats. That's the roof lining of the car, which is absolutely clean. The rear seat. There's also someone who's asked about the boot picture of the car, so I'll just do that as well. So this is the boot of the car. It's pretty huge, spacious. There's an amplifier which has been installed. And there are sockets left out for additional music components if you want to add. The car is very well kept. If you look at the quality of the boot lid, the spare wheel lid is absolutely clean. This is the spare wheel and the toolkit. The sealants are all intact. So that's the boot of the Chevrolet Aveo. I will now take you guys for a spin. Let's take a test drive and see how the car is. This is a 1.4 DOHC, or the standard petrol engine that you see. It's pretty smooth. The suspensions are good. No noise from the suspensions. The steering is quite responsive and smooth. The gear shifting is marvelous. Power on the car is decent. The AC is working absolutely fine. There's no rattling noise, no plastic fiber noise. The car is good to drive, pretty quiet. Okay, the original American horn is there on the vehicle. This beige and wooden combination on the dashboard and door trims really gives a very refreshing feel inside the cabin. Feels like I'm sitting in a Skoda Superb kind of a vehicle. Pretty premium. There's a clock, by the way, on the dashboard, which has been given by the company. This car is priced cheaper than most of the hatchbacks that you look around in the town. You don't get a Swift at this price, you don't get an i10 at this price. I'll give you a Chevrolet Aveo for 1,69,000 rupees only. This is a 2010, second owner, valid insurance till September 2021. All 4 new tires, airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, leather seats, electric ORVM, rear parking camera, Bluetooth connectivity. Everything is there in the vehicle. You just pay 1,69,000. This beautiful red machine becomes yours. You can see it at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kaneri CHS. You can reach me on 9768 001 006. This was on Convoy Cars that you've seen. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.